Can you spell pop?
Pop. It's very easy, right? P.
Ah.
Pop.
Can you spell on?
On. O.
Ah.
On.
On. Can you spell bun?
Bun. B. A.
Ah.
Bun.
Bun. Can you spell lit?
Lit. I.
Eh.
Lit.
Lit. Can you spell slug?
Slug. So download the UptoSix Phonics app and practice with the UptoSix Phonics app. And there are many words. So a child can get endless practice with the app. Every day 5 to 10 minutes and you will see the difference. Slug.
Slug. Can you spell bud?
Bud. B. A.
Ah.
Bud. D.
Bud. Can you spell hospital?
Hospital. Can you write? Yes. A.
Ah.
Hospital. P.
Eh.
Sorry. T. A.
Ah.
Hospital.
Hospital.
See? Such
Can
big
you
word.
spell triplet?
Triplet. And this will be our last word for the day. Okay? Triplet. You keep practicing. Trip. Trip. Triplet.
Triplet.
Download the UptoSix Phonics apps today.